So in this subject, what we're doing is we took two screenshots, right? We took these two screenshots from our basically our zone editor, right? And
Right.
we are, if let's say if it is not added properly, so it's advisable to use the help of the support desk. Okay, so
Yes.
let's say
Yes, it's your.
whenever you get into some confusion, I personally recommend using the help of support desk, because if they're paying those support desk people, and if you're not using them, there's no point on being confused, right? If you're confused, contact the support. Okay, contact the
Yes.
support for anything, right? So now we've just written an email. Hello, mailing boss. I've added the following DNS records to my domain from mailing boss. Please verify if all is correct. Right? Even after adding the DNS records to my zone, I'm unable to verify my domain in mailing boss. Um, Awaiting your response on the same. Okay, thanks, Isidro. Right, copy this whole thing, right? And I've added these screenshot links here. Then I'll simply go to builder all. I'll click this button. Okay, I'll click email, right? Or let's say are they available for the live chat? Question, scroll down, and let's click start chat. Okay, they're connecting you. Okay, so if they're not available, let's just click this email thing, right? And
Mm-hmm.
just click leave message, right? So you will get a reply back from them, right?
Okay. Right.
So thank you, and you will get a reply back from them, and pretty much. So this is where we pretty much complete this part. Now let's go back. Okay, this is where we finish the subject on adding on and sending a support ticket. Okay,